2019 Honda CR-V. With less than 58,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.